Metro by T-Mobile Home Internet provides wireless broadband via T-Mobile's 5G and LTE networks. First, check your address on T-Mobile's website or app to ensure eligibility. Once confirmed, order the gateway, which is a modem-router combo. Upon arrival, insert the provided SIM card into the gateway. Connect it to a power outlet. Use the T-Mobile app or web portal to activate your service with a compatible plan, starting at $35 a month. For optimal signal strength, position the gateway near a window. Connecting a device via Ethernet during initial setup can be helpful. This self-installation process typically takes less than 30 minutes. Make sure the area is certified with guaranteed speeds. After activating the gateway, customize your Wi-Fi network's name and password using the T-Mobile app. The gateway supports Wi-Fi 6E with 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands for faster performance. Enable features like parental controls, device prioritization, and guest networks for better management. Run speed tests using tools like Ookla or T-Mobile's built-in tool to check performance. Optimize performance by adjusting the gateway's placement for better signal. If speeds are slow, check for obstructions or update the gateway's firmware. For further assistance, contact T-Mobile support for signal diagnostics. The latest gateways support WPA3 encryption and built-in VPN for enhanced security.